I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Gumroad to Pinterest. This integration helps creators like you automate sharing your digital products, significantly expanding your reach. By linking your Gumroad storefront with Pinterest, you can effortlessly showcase your offerings to a vast, visually driven audience. This process streamlines your marketing efforts, saving you valuable time. Ultimately, it boosts your product visibility and drives more potential customers directly to your Gumroad products, making your sales funnel more efficient and effective. To connect Gumroad and Pinterest, you will need a third-party automation platform. Tools such as Zapier Make or Pabbly Connect are excellent choices for this purpose. These platforms act as a bridge, allowing different applications to communicate with each other. They operate on a simple principle. When a specific trigger event occurs in one app, a predefined action is automatically performed in another. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific automation requirements and budget, as many offer free tiers for basic tasks. Once you have chosen your automation platform, the next step is to set up your workflow. First, connect your Gumroad account to the platform, designating it as the trigger application. You will then select a trigger event, such as new product being added or a new sale occurring. Next, connect your Pinterest account as the action application. Finally, map the relevant Gumroad product details, like the image URL, product title, description, and direct link, to automatically create a new pin on your chosen Pinterest board. This ensures accurate and timely sharing. To maximize your impact, optimize your Pinterest pins for engagement. Utilize rich pins to automatically pull and display additional product details, like pricing and availability, directly on your pin. Always use high-quality, visually appealing images that capture attention. Incorporate relevant keywords into your pin titles and descriptions to improve search visibility. Consider creating 3 to 5 distinct pins for each Gumroad product, using different angles or visuals, to broaden your reach and appeal to diverse audiences on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.